In today's episode on Project Bean, I think we're on episode 3. I'm going to be cutting the front end off and repairing the front near side control arm. We have the control arm here. It looks like it's been pulled on and bent. So this is the front end that I'm cutting off, and obviously it's going to need a scuttle panel and stuff. This is the reason I'm changing the roof, is all these rust holes all the way around. Yeah. I mean, this side's not that bad, but needs to go. And obviously this side, there's a lot of rust down in the fletch panels and the sills, and obviously the quarters are both getting replaced. I'm pretty much going to replace the whole car. Probably would make more sense to buy a shell, but I like cutting and welding, so this is the new bonnet. It is off an earlier one, but I'm not really bothered. So without further ado, I'll set the camera up on the tripod, start cutting the front end off, and then we'll replace that bar. Just brought you in for a better camera angle there. Let's say them again. I'm going to do these washers. Cut. It's spot welded along this edge here, so we're going to cut along here, and then we'll get that off afterwards. Okay, so I'm going to remove the wheel, 18mm. Just bring you in to show you how bad that damage is. That's the arm that's supposed to be straight. This bolt here undone, and then that. Get that nut undone there, try and get it back out. See if we can get it straight again. See if it comes off now after a bit. thinking if we get the front out first and we can wiggle it and try and free it off that way. We can always cut this bar if we have to because it's getting replaced. In fact, I'm going to do that idea now. Then we'll undo it and hopefully it'll help out. Cut the bar, it wouldn't move. I've got the outer part moving now, so it might make it easier to get the inside part moving. And we've got that moving a little bit. So I have to get some more heat on that. Okay, she's moving. There we go. Inch to knock it through the last little bit. There we go. Okay, you're currently joining me at the front half of the control arm, where it's very bent. I'm going to put some light on it for you first so you can see. It's a 11/16 nut. I've probably made it a little bit more awkward for myself to undo. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm just going to cut it with a grinder because we don't need it. Hold it whilst we undo it. The heat's obviously freed it off a lot as well. That's that off. Yeah, it doesn't look to have bent the subframe at all. So we'll get that new one fitted. I know it all needs cleaning up and painting, but this is just so I can keep moving it around because it will not be on the ramp all the time. It'll be on and off until I get it on the split. So we'll get that control arm in. I was going to do the other one, but it's pointless considering they're coming off again, so I'll just do the one for now. The end of the world, but okay, so there we have it. I installed control arm. I'm going to take the front off, I think. I think I've stood in the way. Let's bring it over here. Okay, so this bolt has a nut on the other side. We're just looking. The same again this side. Get the rust off it. Move it. I have to cut. If I can get the camera in there and show you. I'm going to cut along here. Panel here that he's cutting as well. Yeah, just see there. That is just welded along here. So as I said, guys, I've run the grinder up here and up here, and it's detached. This is the only bit left to cut off now. I was going to save that to show you guys. So run it up there and there again. So I just got to run through the last bit of the wing and it'll fall off. So Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the thumbs up if you like what you see, and ring the bell notification if you want to be notified when I do more on the Project Bean. Thanks for watching.